Hello guys, here's the ignition coil, and this works absolutely fine, but this will be in another video. So as you can see in the background, you can see a insulator, a MOT, and one capacitor and some copper rods. If we go a little bit closer, we can see a insulator here, a MOT, a capacitor, and another capacitor that's connected in series from that output terminal. And both capacitors are connected in parallel. So what do we got? We got XL here, inductive reactance, and we got XC here, capacitive reactance. And what happens? Yes, we get a resonance in the circuit. And this brings out extremely nice arcs, so now you have to see it. I'm going to put a link in the description how I got that MOT. But now on, you should watch this. I have that transformer connected up to the 5-pin connector up there. And to the variabel transformator that we say in Swedish, a variac. It's a 3-phase one. It's a long variac. It goes all the way in there. So yes, let's turn it on, so what happens. So yes, here you can see some fuses, but that's not the real thing. That's the connect, that's a pin that will arc to. So I'm going to crank up the variac, turn on the variac first, like that. Turn it up to 20 volts. No. 60 volts. This is 60 volts. So yes, that's 60 volts. Or if you have been in the US, that would be 30 volts. Actually half the voltage. So I'm going to crank it up to 120. And now I'm going to crank it up to 200. You can't actually see the length of the arc, so I'm going to turn the camera off and take it a bit further away. So yes, now the camera is a bit further away. There's a pin. I don't go to touch it because there's some voltage in it. I'll crank it up to 200 volts again. That's a hot arc. So I'm going to take it full range to 260. That's full range. That's extremely bright, so I'm going to put the camera's little welding glasses on, like this. That's a long arc. And I hope you can see that pretty well. That's a huge arc. And now without the welding glasses. It pulls 6 amps from the mains, little bit more. Yes, 6 amps for that arc. That's awesome. But wait a minute, I think you want to see the amp meter. So I'm going to pull the arc. That's the primary current now. It's nearly 2 amps from the mains to the transformer. And then some other load that makes it a bit higher than that. I'm going to short it out. Shorted. Arc. The voltage doesn't drop so much. So that's good. We'll put that in the insulator. And so. I'll turn it off. I'm going to discharge the capacitor. I'll leave it shorted out. So that. Thanks for watching.